In the silence of prison walls, one man sits, Imran Khan, a leader, a former prime minister, a symbol of hope for millions. For more than 2 years he has remained behind bars without a fair trial, without justice delivered. His crime: to speak of freedom, to dream of a Pakistan built on truth and dignity. But behind these locked doors his spirit has not been chained. The walls may confine his body, yet his resolve shines brighter than ever before. The people wait. The nation watches. And the world wonders, can prison cells silence the voice of a leader? Or will history remember this moment as the birth of an unshakable resistance? Imran Khan's imprisonment is not just his struggle, it is the struggle of every Pakistani who dares to dream. 2 years have passed, but the call for justice grows louder. This is not the end of a man. It is the beginning of a movement.